This week's tech tip of the week is how to auto open tabs in Chrome. So notice when I click on my Chrome how I have 4 tabs that automatically open to my most used sites. You can too. It's pretty easy to set up. Open your Chrome settings, and scroll down till you see open a specific set of pages. You're going to want to toggle that on and then add a new page. All you do then is go to the website you want to open. Maybe I want CNN.com. Copy the URL and paste it here. By adding it now, on top of my 4 I already had set, I'll now have a 5th. So, when I close Chrome and open my Chrome back up, you can see that now my CNN.com has been added as another new tab. So, it's a time saver. Decide which tabs you use most often and then go into your settings and set to auto open tabs.